Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Everest K2, and I got this with a package deal, about 10 typewriters, and this one came with it. About 5 of those typewriters were left outdoors, including this one, for 20 years, maybe longer, I don't know. So this one actually works. Actually, well, typewriters are sticking now. I flushed that out. It's got to be reflushed, I guess, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, look at that. They're all doing it. Alright, so that needs additional flushing. Oh well. The question I had brought up to this camera and to this video is, should I fix this typewriter? What do you do with a typewriter that actually sort of works but doesn't work? Look at all this corrosion. This is just all corroded, and the space bar's warped to heck. I don't know what happened here. Discoloration all over the place. The case is just terrible. Again, corrosion. Flat knobs are, both sides are warped to heck, but they're still there. Not, it's just grungy inside. Of course, now I got to reflush that segment, I guess. But it's just grungy everywhere else. Still very grungy, and corrosion galore on the case, and the whole bottom section of this machine is corroded. It's not rusted, but it's corroded. Just dirty, and a mess. The cracked knob's got a crack on it. So what should be done with something like this? Should we put money into it and fix it up and try to resell it? Is there a resale value for a piece of typewriter that's been exposed to the elements too long? And underneath here is just a mess. It's just a mess. Just a mess. And it will take a lot to get it cleaned up. The feet are just gone. They're just not even really feet anymore. And yeah, it's just grungy. So it would take a lot to clean this up and get it working. A lot of corrosion. It's irreversible. Even these little pads up here where the space bar goes are rotted and collapsed. So yeah, just want to see what people's opinions are on something like this, whether it's something that should be tried to be brought back to life. I mean, this card guide is plastic and it's just about to break. It's pure orange. I think that was clear at one point. Not much you can do about that. These feed rollers are about to crack off. So, just an opinion of what could be or should be done with a typewriter like this. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.